Hey everyone, welcome to TN92 White Wolf YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, we have something exciting for you, Nifty 50 Index Funds, a smart investment choice. So, stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's dive right in. Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to invest in the stock market? If yes, then Nifty 50 Index Funds might be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we'll explain what Nifty 50 Index Funds are, how they work, and why they could be a great addition to your investment portfolio. What is Nifty 50? The Nifty 50 is India's benchmark stock market index, consisting of the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange, NSE. These companies are leaders in their sectors, including banking, information technology, FMCG, and more. When you invest in a Nifty 50 index fund, you are essentially investing in all these top 50 companies at once. How do Nifty 50 index funds work? Nifty 50 index funds are passive investment funds that track the Nifty 50 index. This means they aim to replicate the performance of the index rather than beat it. Since there is no active management, these funds usually have lower costs compared to actively managed funds. Benefits of investing in Nifty 50 index funds. Why should you consider investing in a Nifty 50 index fund? Here are some key benefits. Checkmark diversification. Your investment is spread across 50 top companies. Checkmark low cost. Minimal fund management fees make it cost effective. Checkmark consistent performance. Historically, Nifty 50 has provided stable long-term returns. Checkmark easy to invest, suitable for both beginners and experienced investors. Who should invest? Nifty 50 index funds are ideal for long-term investors who want steady growth with minimal effort. If you believe in India's top companies and want a hassle-free way to invest, this is a great option for you. How to invest? Investing in Nifty 50 index funds is easy. You can buy them through mutual fund platforms, stockbrokers, or directly from asset management companies. Just choose a fund, invest through SIP or lump sum, and watch your money grow. Conclusion: Nifty 50 index funds offer a simple, low-cost, and effective way to invest in the Indian stock market. If you are looking for long-term wealth creation, this could be a smart choice. Start investing today and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips.